Welcome. In today's guide, I'll show you how to update your Facebook settings so only your friends can see your Reels. It's quick, simple, and ensures your content stays private to those you trust. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once it's loaded, look for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This is the menu button. Tap on it to proceed. Next, scroll down until you find the Settings and Privacy option. Tap on it, and then select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Now, under the section labeled Audience and Visibility, look for Reels. Tap on it to access the settings specific to your Reels. Once you're in the Reels settings, tap on Who can see your Reels. Here, you'll see several options for controlling who can view your content. To make sure only your friends can see your Reels, select Friends. After selecting this option, make sure to save your changes. And that's it! You've successfully updated your privacy settings so that only your Facebook friends can see the Reels you share. This small adjustment helps keep your content secure and visible only to those you choose. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need assistance managing their Facebook privacy settings. See you next time.